guys, welcome to Virtual Developers, and in this video I am gonna show you how to see who liked your profile on Tinder without even spending any penny. You have to follow these steps to see who liked your profile. First, download any one of these user script manager. I prefer Violent Monkey in my case. As you can see, there are 4 profiles who liked my profile, but they are blurred because I don't have any Tinder subscription. So, let's start with step 1. For that you have to open Chrome Store and search Violent Monkey extension. Download Violent Monkey extension, which is on the top of result list. Ignore the cut. I was using Chrome in incognito mode, which means I could not download it and install it from there. So I just switched to normal mode. Okay, so the extension is now active and we need to install our JS script to move further. Now moving forward to our step 2, which is installing our JS script. For that, click on the given link and verify yourself. You can get the link from description. Speeding up the waiting time by 2x. After your verification completion, click on Get Link. After clicking Get Link, the window with script will appear. Here click on Close after installation and click on Confirm installation. This will install the script and our work is 80% done. As you can see, the script is installed and we are ready to use it. Now just refresh your Tinder account by clicking on Refresh button. Now click on Matches button. For privacy I can't show the whole picture, but as you can see, the profile pictures are now visible and you can see who liked your profile. So now you can easily swipe them right when you see their profile. If you want to know how to do this on your smartphones, let us know in comment section.